Hello students, this is your second chapter from your chemistry portion named as acids, bases and salts. Now in this particular video we shall be covering about indicators, acids with their physical and chemical properties, some common acids and strong and weak acids. Now let's start with something called as indicators. Now specifically speaking, indicators are natural or human-made substances that will show different colors in case of acidic and alkaline solution. That means they will be used for testing whether the solution is an acid or a base. Now, a very common indicator that we use, which is a natural one, is a litmus solution. Now, litmus solution is commonly used in our lab in the form of a paper. Now, litmus paper are available in two types, blue litmus and red litmus. Now normally acids will change blue litmus to red, whereas bases will change red litmus to blue. That's the basic concept. Now here in this particular chart you will be able to see few more indicators which are present that will show the color changes like methyl orange or phenolphthalein. So they will show different colors in acidic and basic solutions. Now more importantly, as we go through indicators, there are indicators which are olfactory in nature. Olfactory means which can recognize with smell. So when you put them in acidic solution, they might retain the smell, and if put up in a basic solution, the smell might disappear. So few of them are like onion extract, then vanilla extract. They are all olfactory indicators. Now normally when we discuss about an acid, a simple definition for acid that could be given here, that an acid is a substance which produces hydrogen ions in water. That means any substance that will produce H plus ion when dissolved in water, that is known as an acid. Like example has been given, hydrochloric acid dissolving in water forms hydrogen ions and chloride ions, that is H plus ions and Cl minus ions. So since it produces H plus ions, that's why it should be considered under an acid. Now the basic physical properties for an acid, they will taste sour, they are corrosive in nature, and they will turn blue litmus to red. That's how we are actually able to identify. Now few of the common acids which are used in our day-to-day life are citric acid that are found in citrus fruits and used as a preservative, lactic acid that is found in yogurt and produced by our muscles when they are overworked, acetic acid that is found in vinegar and used as a preservative, carbonic acid or phosphoric acid which are found in soft drinks, hydrochloric acid that is found in our stomach and helps in food digestion. Now coming down to the chemical properties of acids. First chemical property, what happens when an acid reacts with metal? So when an acid will react with metal, it will produce hydrogen gas and will generate a salt. Similarly, acids when reacting with metal carbonates, they will also produce salt. Alongside it will give you water and carbon dioxide. Now remember, salt is a common product. Now, as we discuss an acid reacting with a base, when an acid reacts with a base, it will form salt and water. So, this is basically known as a neutralization reaction. Okay, so similar, a simple example that we can put down, hydrochloric acid reacting with sodium hydroxide. So that will give you sodium chloride and water. So sodium chloride is your neutral salt. Now, few of the common acids along with their formulas have been given to you. Like sulfuric acid is H2SO4, hydrochloric acid is HCl, nitric acid is HNO3, citric acid C6H8O7, ethanoic acid, which is otherwise called acetic acid, CH3COOH. Now, coming down to the identification part for an acid. What do we understand by a strong acid? Remember, a strong acid is an acid that is completely ionized in water. Completely ionized means it will undergo complete breakdown. The acid will break down completely in water and produces a large number of hydrogen ions. So an acid that will undergo complete ionization in water and will produce a large number of H plus ions, that is known as strong acid. Remember, strong acids are much more dangerous as compared to the weaker ones. Now, common example of a strong acid: sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. They are considered to be strong acids. Now, when you come down to weak acids are those which undergo partial ionization. That means it will not break down completely. So, if ionization is partial, it is not going to produce a huge number of H plus ions. H plus ions will be less in number. So, those type of acids which do not undergo complete ionization, they are known as your weak acids. Example is given: ethanoic acid, citric acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid, they all come under weak acid part. So in this particular video we have gone through the basic properties of acids, how to identify them, and the difference between a strong acid and a weak acid. Thank you.